Hello and welcome to this Inspiration Clan video tutorial. In this course we're going to look at the Photoshop workspace. Now when you first load Photoshop it can look a little bit daunting. It seems like there's thousands of options available, settings, you've got tools on the left, you've got panels over here on the right. And what we're going to do in this course is we're going to strip Photoshop down and explain every aspect of the workspace. We'll show you in visual format to help you understand what is located where. Now, understanding the workspace is the first part of learning Photoshop. The goal of this course is to make sure you know where everything is and what everything does. So, in the next videos, we're going to reset the workspace, make sure you're at the defaults, and then we're going to take a deeper dive and look into the workspace. Now, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one where we'll take a deeper look.